Welcome back to Mud, Mods and Beers. I have stolen the GoPro for today's episode. So today's a bit of a different one. We're not in the faithful garage today. We are over at Trent's place. Now today, Trent, as you may have seen in the previous episode, has recently purchased his 2010 Landcruiser 200 series. The previous car is the Patrol. So today we'll be taking out these two XTM drawers and putting them in the 200 alongside his brand new XTM camp kitchen from BCF.
Thanks, Andy. Yes, you did steal the GoPro. Very different episode of Mud, Mods and Beers this week. If you want more content like this, stop right now. Don't go any further. Subscribe. Come on, just press the button. Then we'll get into the episode and there'll be lots more like this.
So, bit of progress. What we decided to do was, because the 200 series was a 7-seater, we had all these factory mounts that used to sit underneath here for the seats to clip down. So the plan will be to reuse these bolts in the factory mounting holes for the new drawer system, which hopefully, fit in perfectly. So we're just in the stages of taking out the old drawers out of the Patrol, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they all lined up. So stay tuned.
What we're doing is trying to get this bolt out here, but the person that installed these last time decided to use an Allen key bit.
Who installed them?
Some bloke in Ipswich, I believe, mate. Nowhere near here.
No, it wouldn't be looking like you.
No, wouldn't be anywhere near here. But
typical Trent. What do you reckon, Tina?
got no idea. Blind leading the
blind. You need to have more of those beers, I reckon.
Yeah.
Just don't drop the washer.
Oh, stop! Stop! Don't! If I suck your belly in.
Alright, we might edit that.
Certainly does. I thought if anything I've ever taught you was lefty loosey. Go? Yeah. You didn't get much out of me for mechanical stuff.
Righto guys, so we got the kitchen slide. That's not a kitchen slide. Righto guys, so we decided to put the fridge slide at the bottom for the main reason of this chopping board. Because we've measured it up, chopping board will be up here if it's on the top, and it's just not practical. So what we're going to do is put a bit of angle bracket on the back side of it, screw them both in for the other drawer. We just had to line up these runners at the bottom for the mounting points. It's only a little Allen key, it's not too hard. And then should be done. Then we just gotta fit this girl in. Looks good. Right, so we've made some progress. Both XTM drawers are bolted in, ready to go. Only problem we had was the brackets that came on the bottom of the drawers. They didn't line up accordingly to the factory mount holes, so we just have to drill some new ones in, which turned out Mickey Mouse, which is awesome. So we got both those in, ready to go. All we need to do now is, not sure if you can see, but on that side we just need to measure up, double check that the kitchen does fit in, which I think it does, so Trent says.
Don't jinx me.
But yeah, so that's what we're up to.
Okay. Moment of truth, hey? Actually.
Moment of truth. It's finally come. We're gonna unbox this Bessie, see if she fits in. So Trent's right.
Load onto that. Yep. You get the box. Yep. Oh shit! Talk about weight reduction. Holy crap!
Come on.
Lift!
More.
Oh my god! That's really heavy. Ow! Oh, shit!
Yeah! Alright, we're back.
Like a glove!
Oh shit, are you gonna be able to put the legs down?
That's still, there's another 2 parts.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so that goes out,
Oh, right.
and then that comes out. And if you hold the weight of that, that comes out there,
Oh!
and that's your legs.
Nice.
Ah, spot on, I reckon.
Nice. XTM. Bloody good job, lads. So like I was saying before about the factory mounting holes, so those are the one that XTM provided on the side there, but in the middle is where where the factory holes are. So we're gonna have to drill there and there roughly, just with the same size bit on both sides to get it down pat. But other than that, not too shabby, Trentos.
Looking good, I'm happy with it.
Yeah. Alright, we'll touch back soon. So, all finally done. As you well know, everything we do takes a lot longer than once expected. But the finished result doesn't look too bloody shabby if you ask me. As I said earlier, we have both these mounted in, fully slide out both of them easily, with also an added chopping board, which I reckon is shit hot. Now, the star of the show is this new XTM kitchen. You picked up for around the 450 mark from BCF, Trent was saying. So it has 2 features. Can work as a fridge slide, which comes out like that. And this is a 70 litre fridge.
79 litre.
79 litre Coleman fridge, which it has gaps on both sides, fits in really easily. And that slides in one figure like that. Nice and easy. Now the main reason for this being the kitchen is this. So we got a nice big table, and then as you bring it out here, you've also got this. Now I won't put this little cooking shade up because it does take a little bit and we aren't used to it yet. But basically this goes up like that, stop the flames from going out from your gas burner and stuff like that. Also under here, if it is something too heavy, we do have 4 legs underneath here. I won't get them all out, but you get the picture like that. So that's perfect. And that means it nice and solid, which is super easy. So whack these up, nice and that. Little twist up and it clips up here. Just like that. And all you have to do, oh sorry, as I should say, while this is all out, if you get a bit thirsty, you know, cutting up your steak or snags or whatever you're having for tea that night, this has a lockout feature about halfway.
It did have a lockout feature.
Doesn't it? Oh, there it is. No. There it is. Right, we got there in the end. So this is our first time using it pretty much. So has like that. So you still have a cooking area while you got cookers here, and you also have prime access to the beers, which is quintessential to any camping trip really. So to pack it all up, whack that one in, come to the back here, nice easy slide in like that. Tuck that one in, we don't need that one. And, oh shit, there we go. Been a pretty bloody good episode. It actually went pretty smoothly for a Saturday arvo with a few beers involved. But hope you enjoyed it. I'm a little bit different than Richo. Maybe comment in the comments. Maybe put down in the comments what you reckon. No, alright. Put in the comments who you reckon is the better presenter. We'll leave that up to you. Alright guys, it's been another episode of Mud, Mods and Beers. I'll catch you on the next one. Yoo-hoo!